everybody, I'm Gina.
I'm Owen.
Yeah, and I'm the Heart Craft Girl, and I want to tell you about our new product from Lucky Limedrop Toys. It is called the Twinkle Lit Teepee. So I'm here with my boys, and we wanted to show you about how to put this together and how to unbox it. So it'll come in a box like this, and then the lights come separately. So they'll be in here. And then, so you want to take those out, and they're all coiled up because we're trying to make the smallest box possible, but they do get a little coiled. And then there's a product insert in here, and it has a little fun saying, "Twinkle, twinkle, little star." So if you want to download this SVG that I made, I have it available on my website too. So, and this gives you a lot of the directions about how to put this together. So we'll look at our instruction manual, Owen. Look at this. Okay, we've got all the parts. You can help me walk through this, okay? So we're gonna start, we'll put the lights to the side.
So the TV is A, B is the poles, and C is...
Alright, take this on out of here. It comes in a bag. Slide it right out. Okay. And then all the poles are inside, so just very gently open it on up. And the poles, you can tell the bottom has this rubber part, and then you put the white part in the middle. And you want to put it together, so there's like a little ridge right here, so just push it all the way in. And then find the one that doesn't have the rubber part at the bottom to match it. And so you do that 5 times. And some of these are a little bit tougher than others, so you might have to use a little more force to push them together. We designed
both.
We'll pick a different one, like that doesn't have the end. I wanted it to stay together, but it ended up being, some of them got really tight. So just give it a little extra push, and twisting really helps too. So can do that. Ooh, stick these guys together. There we go.
And
this
is another one.
Yeah, we gotta have 5 of them. 5 poles for this tent. So you wanna do one, Owen? Yep, it's a little bit tough, so I can help squish it together. Just a little twist sometimes helps a lot.
Oh, there we go. I got it.
Did you get it? Nice. Okay. And then we'll just put it together. Okay. Whoops, sorry. Bumped down the head. Okay, so we got our 5 poles, and then very carefully we will open this up. And need these parts. And if you guys want to iron it, you can do it on a real low heat and just do the back side. So the poles will go all the way up to the top, to the pole covers. So you can just take and it doesn't have the plastic, and just insert it right here at the bottom.
Okay.
Yeah, thanks, Owen. Okay, we'll just push it right through.
Maybe a little bit tricky though.
Yeah.
Because the teepee gets all sort of bent, and then the ones at the end get kind of tangled.
Exactly.
So you might have to untangle them.
Yeah, and then this part sometimes needs an extra little push to get it through the top.
Yeah.
At the bottom. All right. Well, thanks, Logan. Here. Oops. Okay, and we'll do this one next, and then finding yours on.
There it is.
Okay.
Other end. Make sure you do it with the one that doesn't have the
That doesn't have the bump. That's right. Yep.
Because we want it to be squishy so that it doesn't scratch.
That's right. Yeah, because that is so it doesn't scratch the floor. That's exactly right. Oh, and thanks.
Or it doesn't get scratched if you're doing it for like outdoors.
Yeah.
Alright, where does this go? That one goes into here. Got it.
Okay.
You might need a little help. You might not be able to do it all by yourself.
That's right. But it's a lot of fun, isn't it, Owen?
Yep.
You were thinking of some uses you could use the teepee for, huh? What are some fun things? You were talking about, like, for the telescope, huh?
Yeah, and like lights. It's really cool because you can just. Normally it would come with like a little pocket, and then there would be like a light switch in there, so you can take it. So you can take this little battery pack out of there.
Yeah.
And there's gotta be a switch on it, so you can flip the switch to make it go on and off. And the next step is tie these together.
Okay, so step 4 is pretty important to be able to have the tent stand up the correct way. So you're going to start with one pole, and then the next pole goes on the top of that one, and the next one goes on the top of that one. So if you look at this, that's how we'll try to line it up. So you make a circle of these to make it all go on top of the next one, and then you can tie it. And then we'll straighten it out and see where we're at. Owen, you want to help me? There's the door. We are super excited, as you can tell. We're all set up because we're going to Disneyland. So we just told the kids today about it. We got all our Disney gear out to show them. Okay, so here we are.
And when I came into here last night, they were going, "Oh no, stay out of here! No, I don't want to." I'm like, "What's in there?"
Yep, it was a surprise.
And then when I looked in here today in the morning, I'm like, "What's that?" Because there's rubber bands tying the door together.
You were tricky, huh?
And then later on, Dad sent us on a hologram.
Using the HoloLens, that's right. Yeah, that must be fun. All right, should we show them how to do the lights?
Okay.
Okay, so they'll come all coiled like this. And what you need to do is just gently stretch them out. Because they need to stretch from the top all the way down to the bottom of this. So just gently really stretch out the cords. And what's really cool is that we designed special Velcro hooks in there for you, so that they should hang right on the little Velcro hooks. All right, so we'll straighten these out. And then it takes 3 AA batteries. You slide the case open. And okay. Slide it on in. Let's test it. Woo! We got lights. Okay, so what you do is you're going to take this inside the tent when you feel like you've straightened this out enough. So it's best if you leave this this wire coiled up, and then this battery pack will go in the little pouch up here. So I'm going to do that. See this little pouch? Stick it right in, and you can just stick the cords in too. Okay, so each side of the teepee has 4 Velcro strips right here. And so they will, if you roll them, they will stick to each other. So put the lights in on the soft side and then roll it so that it sticks. There we go. So the soft side, and then roll it right in. And then do that right down here too. All right, you can straighten it out as you get all the sides done. Okay, so then you can turn this on. There's actually a middle switch here, and it's for a 30-minute timer. So you can decide if you want your tent just for 30 minutes or if you want it for longer than that. And just turn it on and enjoy the twinkles and tuck it right in that little pocket. All right, well, have fun with your teepee, and check out my Facebook group if you want to learn more about how to decorate and some different themes to do with this teepee. Have a great day. Heartcraft Girl is signing out.